Welcome back guys to Top YouTube channel.
आज मैं आप लोगों को टॉप 5 स्मार्ट टीवी के बारे में बताऊंगा जो आपको 15,000 रुपये के अंदर मिलेंगे। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कर दे ताकि आप हमारे से जुड़े रहे।
All by links in description.
Number 5.
Amazon Basics 81 centimeters 32 inches.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection for
12,299.
Number 4.
Samsung 80 centimeters Wondertainment series.
now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for me.
13,490. Number 3.
Mi Smart TV 5A.
Long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side.
13,999.
Number 2.
Acer 80 centimeters.
12,499.
Number 1.
Because of brand.
OnePlus 80 centimeters Y series.
Walls weren't closing in like they are now. 'Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how to change your See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by.